Deep within South America lies a realm of unparalleled grandeur. The Amazon rainforest, a tapestry of vibrant green, pulsates with life. A world of towering trees, winding rivers, and astonishing creatures. Not merely a forest, it is vital to Earth's life support system. Often hailed as the lungs of the planet, it regulates our climate. Its preservation is a global urgency. The Amazon River, the lifeblood of this ecosystem, carries ancient secrets. The air is alive with buzzing insects and chirping birds. Spanning over 5.5 million square kilometers, it humbles us, a place of wonder, a testament to nature's power and beauty. The Amazon rainforest plays a pivotal role in regulating Earth's climate through the remarkable process of photosynthesis. Within the countless leaves of its trees, a silent symphony unfolds. Plants and trees, using sunlight as their energy source, absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. This absorbed carbon dioxide is then transformed into organic compounds, releasing life-giving oxygen back into the air. The Amazon, with its dense vegetation, acts as a massive carbon sink, absorbing billions of tons of carbon dioxide annually. This process helps to regulate the Earth's atmosphere, mitigating the impacts of climate change. The rainforest's ability to store vast amounts of carbon makes it a crucial buffer against global warming. The sheer scale of photosynthesis occurring within the Amazon basin makes it a critical component of the global carbon cycle. The Amazon rainforest's influence extends far beyond its geographical boundaries, impacting weather patterns across the globe. One of the key processes contributing to this global influence is evapotranspiration. This process involves the movement of water from the Earth's surface, such as rivers, lakes, and soil, into the atmosphere as water vapor. In the Amazon, the dense vegetation and vast river system contribute to a high rate of evapotranspiration. This constant flow of moisture from the Amazon creates massive air currents that carry rainfall to other parts of South America and even as far as North America. The rainforest acts as a giant air conditioner, regulating temperatures and stabilizing global weather patterns. The Amazon's role in this global water cycle is crucial for maintaining agricultural productivity, water resources, and overall climate stability in distant regions. The Amazon rainforest is a biodiversity hotspot, teeming with an estimated 1 in 10 known species on Earth. This extraordinary diversity is not merely a spectacle of nature, but a crucial factor in the rainforest's ability to regulate the climate. Each species, from the iconic jaguars to the tiny leafcutter ants, plays a role in maintaining the delicate balance of this complex ecosystem. The intricate web of life in the Amazon, with its predators, prey, and intricate plant-animal relationships, contributes to the rainforest's resilience. This rich biodiversity is essential for pollination, seed dispersal, and nutrient cycling, processes that are vital for the rainforest's health and its ability to continue absorbing carbon dioxide. The loss of even a single species can have cascading effects on the entire ecosystem, potentially disrupting its climate regulation functions. Section 5. A carbon vault under threat, the Amazon's diminishing capacity. The Amazon rainforest, with its unparalleled ability to absorb and store carbon, has long served as a crucial carbon sink, mitigating the effects of global warming. However, this vital function is increasingly under threat. Deforestation, primarily driven by agricultural expansion, logging and mining, is rapidly diminishing the Amazon's carbon storage capacity. As trees are felled and burned, the carbon they store is released back into the atmosphere, contributing to the greenhouse effect. The Amazon is estimated to store around 100 billion tons of carbon, equivalent to a decade of global fossil fuel emissions. The continued destruction of the rainforest not only diminishes its ability to absorb future emissions, but also releases this stored carbon, accelerating the pace of climate change. Section 6. The ravages of deforestation, a looming catastrophe. Deforestation, driven by a complex interplay of economic, social and political factors, poses one of the most significant threats to the Amazon rainforest and its ability to regulate the global climate. The relentless clearing of land for cattle ranching, soybean cultivation and illegal logging is eating away at the rainforest at an alarming rate. Satellite data reveals the alarming scale of the problem, with vast swathes of once pristine rainforest now scarred by roads, agricultural fields, and settlements. The consequences of this deforestation are dire, not only for the Amazon's biodiversity, but also for the global climate. As trees are felled and burned, vast amounts of carbon dioxide are released into the atmosphere, contributing to global warming. Moreover, deforestation disrupts the water cycle, leading to decreased rainfall, increased drought, and a higher risk of wildfires. Section 7. Burning forests, burning future, wildfires, and their devastating impact. Wildfires, often exacerbated by human activities such as deforestation and land clearing, pose a grave threat to the Amazon rainforest, releasing massive amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere and further jeopardizing the rainforest's ability to regulate the climate. The dry season, coupled with the increased availability of flammable material due to deforestation, creates ideal conditions for wildfires to ignite and spread rapidly through the rainforest. These infernos not only decimate vast areas of pristine rainforest, releasing tons of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, but they also kill wildlife, displace indigenous communities, and release harmful pollutants into the air. The smoke from these fires can travel for thousands of miles, affecting air quality and public health in distant cities and countries. The increasing frequency and intensity of wildfires in the Amazon are a stark reminder of the urgent need to protect this vital ecosystem. Section 8. Indigenous Guardians, protecting their ancestral home. Indigenous communities have been the stewards of the Amazon rainforest for millennia, their lives inextricably intertwined with the health of the ecosystem. They possess a deep understanding of the rainforest's intricate workings, its rhythms, and its vulnerabilities. For generations, indigenous peoples have lived in harmony with the Amazon, their traditional practices playing a crucial role in preserving its biodiversity and its ability to regulate the climate. Their intimate knowledge of medicinal plants, sustainable agricultural techniques, and the rainforest's delicate balance makes them invaluable guardians of this vital ecosystem. However, these communities often face threats to their land rights, livelihoods, and cultural survival from encroaching deforestation, mining, and other extractive industries. Section 9. Global efforts for a shared future conservation initiatives for the Amazon. Recognizing the global significance of the Amazon rainforest, international organizations, governments, and NGOs are collaborating on various conservation initiatives aimed at protecting this vital ecosystem. These efforts range from establishing protected areas and promoting sustainable land management practices to empowering indigenous communities and combating illegal deforestation. Satellite monitoring, for instance, is being used to track deforestation rates and identify areas at risk, while certification schemes promote sustainable forestry practices and help consumers make informed choices. Financial mechanisms like REDD+, reducing emissions from deforestation and forest degradation, provide incentives for developing countries to conserve their forests. Section 10. Every action counts. Practical steps for a healthier Amazon. The fate of the Amazon rainforest might seem like a distant concern, but the reality is that our actions, no matter where we live, have a ripple effect on this vital ecosystem. By making informed choices and adopting sustainable practices, each of us can contribute to the protection of the Amazon and the preservation of its climate regulation services. Supporting organizations actively involved in Amazon conservation through donations or volunteering is a tangible way to make a difference. Reducing our consumption of products linked to deforestation, such as beef, soy, and palm oil, can also help alleviate the pressure on the Amazon. Choosing sustainably sourced wood and paper products and supporting companies committed to deforestation-free supply chains are other impactful steps. Section 11. Safeguarding our emerald legacy, a call to action for the Amazon. The Amazon rainforest, a breathtaking tapestry of life and a vital organ for our planet, stands at a crossroads. Its fate hangs precariously in the balance, threatened by the relentless onslaught of deforestation, wildfires, and the looming consequences of climate change. The time for complacency is over. The time for action is now. We must act decisively, collectively, and with unwavering determination to protect this irreplaceable ecosystem. Let us raise our voices, demanding stronger environmental policies, sustainable practices, and an end to the destruction that threatens our planet's future. Let us be the generation that turns the tide, that chooses preservation over exploitation, and that secures a thriving future for the Amazon and for generations to come. The fate of the Amazon is our fate. Let us choose wisely.